What's going on, everybody? Welcome to 10 Point Trading Card Company. It's Tuesday, December 3rd, and we are ripping an 8-box baseball mixer. Just updated the title for that. Sorry about that. I'm going to start tagging everybody, and we'll get started in a couple minutes. Those of you who were with us on Sunday, my computer had a brain fart and decided to crash on us. I made a couple tweaks. Steve, John, Sean, what's going on, guys? So I made a couple tweaks. We will see if how they do, and hopefully we do not have a repeat of Sunday night. If we do, I will get back as quick as possible, as always. But just wanted to throw that out there because it was dumb. Give me a relic Barry Bonds. Hey, that'd be cool. Hey, Rich, what's going on, man? Hope you're doing well. Any teams available? No, sir. All teams are spoken for. I am going to go ahead and get started just in case the computer is dumb. Because I think it was around like a 15-minute mark on Sunday is when it was done. So here's our 8 boxes. Teams are in the top right. Good luck, everybody. Welcome to all of our new folks that found us from eBay. Hopefully you like what you see and you stick around and do some more breaks. If you guys did not see, next week's break has been posted. We are doing a half case break of 2019 Bowman Draft. So and we're doing the Super Jumbo. So Super Jumbo is 3 boxes. There are 5 autos per box. So 15 hits. Prices are posted. A couple teams have already been claimed, so make sure you check them out. Claim your teams. If you're interested in football, football is up for Sunday. Doing a 6-box mixer. I am still trying to decide what I want to do for the week of Christmas. I'm thinking about taking that week off just so everybody can focus on family. And if you need to get any presents, don't really want to get in the way of that. If you guys want me to throw up some breaks for that week, or instead of doing 2, only do 1, let me know what you think. Shoot me a message, post on here. You know, like I said, I'm still trying to decide. I'm indifferent, so let me know what you think. Hey, Daniel, what's going on, man? So, guys, just like last year, mid-January, I'm going to be gone for 10 days. So there will not be any breaks. I'm going on a cruise, so I will be out of the country. One thing that I will do is while I'm gone, I will set up something so that there are breaks when I get back. Cody, you know, I wanted to do that tonight, but I honestly did not have any time to mess with that, so I will do that Sunday night. So guys, Cody's talking about the November monthly skunk break giveaway. So I'll do November's Sunday night after the football mixer. So watch out for that. And by that time, I'll have some more product in that might be able to be, somebody might be able to get to. So I can go ahead and tell you guys, so next week we're doing a half case of Bowman Draft super jumbo, like I said. The week after that will be a 10-box half case break of Elite Extra Edition Baseball. And that is 10 boxes. There are 8 hits per box. So 80 hits in that break. That one, if you remember from last year, has Team USA, has the international spot. Put up a break so everybody can get Sean something for Christmas. Nice. Alright, so if you're just showing up, this is box number 1. As always, I will do a hit recap at the very end. Good luck, everybody. Got a lot of base to get through in this one. Nelson Cruz blue for the Twins. Rookie Springer. Smeltzer rookie. Ramirez rookie. Sanchez. Senzel rookie. Martin rookie. Ford rookie. Guys, all rookies will be soft sleeved. The better rookies will also be top loaded. And that will all be done at the end, so we're not sitting here wasting your time. LaCroix, Silver Prism, Robles, Tatis Jr. rookie, Vlad Jr. rookie, Brendan Rodgers rookie, Kikuchi rookie. Alright. Syndergaard, number 943 of 2019. And all numbered cards will be top loaded. Biggio rookie. Yastrzemski rookie. Bird rookie. Kaiboom rookie. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving break. Hopefully everybody has some nice plans coming up for the holiday season. If there's anything you need from us, let me know. If you need any boxes of anything for Christmas presents, shoot me a note. McNeil rookie. I'm also going to be getting a couple boxes of out of 2019. Juris, Familia. So we'll top load that. I will be getting a few boxes of the Bowman Draft Hobby. Those have 3 autos in them. So if anybody wants a personal, let me know. Senzel rookie. Knizner rookie. Sheffield rookie. Dowdy rookie. Lovelady rookie. Paul Mahler. Pete Alonso rookie. Home Run Derby. Bryant. Harper rookie. Hire rookie. Austin Riley rookie for the Braves. Avila rookie. Long rookie. Jackson, rookie. Lambert, rookie. Josh Naylor, rookie. Black, that's numbered, or camo. That's numbered to 67. Martin, rookie. Hernandez, rookie. France, rookie. Arraez, rookie. Bergen, rookie. Soto for the Tigers, rookie. Reynolds, rookie. Pirates. Tyboom, rookie. 150th. Rengifo, rookie for the Angels. Yelich. Brandon Brennan, rookie. Ramirez, rookie. Tigers. Roberto Alomar, insert. Vlad Jr., rookie. Canning, rookie. Baez, we got Durapa, rookie. Cron, rookie. Queen City. Got a Nunez, silver for the Orioles. Estrada, rookie for the Yanks. Hazley, rookie, Phillies. Clark, rookie, D-backs. All right, our hit for this box, Lucas Giolito for the White Sox All-Star Game. Event used. Very nice. White Sox going out to Ryan S. Congrats, Ryan. On the board, sir. So the rest of these are just going to be base. We'll still check out the rookies. Pete Alonso. Maybe there's a one-on-one hiding in here. Acuna. Bregman. Beatty, rookie. Eloy, rookie. Biggio, rookie. Helsley, rookie. Puig. Lopez, rookie. Means, rookie. Anderson, rookie. Bolt, rookie. Irvin, rookie. Smith, rookie. Thornton, rookie. Allen, rookie. Paddock, rookie. Van Meter, rookie. Swanson, rookie. Paddock, rookie. Another Vlad Jr., rookie. Chris Paddock, rookie. Luciano, rookie. Bregman. Keller, rookie. Edmund, rookie. Canning, rookie. We got a Silver Bowers, rookie. Gutierrez, rookie. Vesta, rookie. Moore, rookie. Riley, rookie. Lau, rookie. Turnbull, rookie. Ira, rookie. Out of 2019. Pirates, Steel City Bashers. Alright, this is the last stack for this box. Pete Alonso, rookie. It's a couple for him for the Mets, this box. There's a Willie Mays insert. Anderson rookie. Rogers rookie. Bowers rookie. Suarez rookie. Betts. Quantrill rookie. Tucker rookie. Tatis Jr. rookie. Another Kai Boom rookie. Rourke and Realmuto. That's the end of box number 1. Move these to the side. Lay down. All right, box number 2. Oh, we got the silver pack. Estrada, Yankees. Hyura, rookie. Brewers, Rockies, Brendan Rodgers, and Braves, Acuna. All right, next up, Optic. Find 2 autos on average. Maybe we'll get a hot box. We've been pretty lucky at getting those. Empty box. Alright guys, I'm going to open up these packs and then I have to let my dog out because she is going crazy. Hold on. Yes, I hear you. Give me a minute, I got a couple packs left. Well, Sean, do you see what I'm seeing? Tell me if you see what I'm seeing. Come on, let's go inside. Yeah, you notice anything special about these Arenado would make my year? Alright, man. Yeah, you notice anything special, Sean? Alright, Jesus Aguilar. Gold to 10. Brewers. Congrats, Brew Crew. Number to 10. Kopech, silver. Black, Marte to 25. I think we have a color hot box, but hopefully we got an auto hot box as well. Whit Merrifield out of 99. Casey Mize rated prospect. Corbin Martin rated rookie. Jose Martinez out of 60 for the Cardinals. Chase Adams rated rookie. Trey Mancini purple out of 125 for Baltimore. Yep, we got a color hot box. Carlos Correa silver. Josh James rated rookie pink out of 199. Vlad Jr. rated rookie. 1 of 25, Aaron Nola for the Phillies. No ink. Andrew Haney for the Angels out of 35. Oops. Wrong one. Trout Chavez rated rookie. Urena for Miami, orange to 99. Always take extra color. Duplantier, silver prism rated rookie. Laziga, rated rookie. Carlos Rodon, purple to 125 for the White Sox. Aaron peak performers. Colby Allard, rated rookie. Alex Bregman to 150. Red, white, and blue 150th anniversary for the Stros. Ichiro. Nelson Cruz. Kramer, pink, rated rookie to 199 for the Pirates. Colby Allard, rated rookie to 50. Very nice. Luis Ortiz. There's a Luis Ortiz to 199. Steven Gonzalez, silver rated rookie. Kyle Tucker, rated rookie for Houston. Max Muncy, purple, 125. Dodgers. Danny Jansen, the rookies. Pete Alonso, rookie. Out of 75. Framber Valdez for the Stros. Astros going out to Jim B. Congrats, Jim, on the board. Should have one more auto in this stack. Encarnacion, number to 199. That's going to be followed by a Casey Mize silver rated prospect. Mookie Betts silver. We got Mike Trout. And then we got Framber Valdez to 60 for the Stros. Start your rainbow there, Jim. Justice Sheffield, rated rookie. Harrison Bader out of 150 for the Cardinals. Trout, Betts. Joe Adele, rated prospect silver for the Angels. Angels going out to Gordon. Snagged them on eBay. Congrats, sir. Mitch Haniger, pink out of 199. Mariners. Tejas, rated rookie. Corbin Burns, pink 199 for the Brew Crew. Josh James, the rookie. Cedric Mullins, rated rookie. That's it for box number dose. So not bad. This is all the color from box number 2. Very nice. All right, we're gonna go and knock out these 2 singles. All right, first up, Sandy Alomar out of 43, 17 of 43 for the Indians. Congrats, Cleveland, going out to Cody. Congrats, man. It's a nice throwback. Jimmy Key, 7 of 16. Blue Jays. Blue Jays going out to Michelle on eBay. Congrats. This is out of 1990 Stadium Club. Sandy Alomar is out of 92 Topps Chrome. Or Topps. 92 Topps. Cool. Let me just catch up. Have fun with that, Steve. I'm still sleeping on my hot bag. Come on, Cubbies, right? Now, if you need any Cubbies, let me know. I got some, I got a bunch of Chris Bryants. Next up, Bowman Chrome. Box number 1, empty box number 2. Alright guys, after this we got 3 boxes left. 2 high tech and 1 Chronicles. Alright guys, good luck. Let's see if that's not the auto. Neither is that. Cool. Nope, it's right there. Let's cover that thing up. Alright, good luck. Pineda, first Bowman. First Bowman out of 499 for Eli White for the Rangers. Machado. First Bowman, Contreras, Yankees. Eloy, rookie. Clark Schmidt, purple for the Yankees, no number. Followed by a Urias rookie and a Bowers rookie. All right, there's our auto. Push it to the back. Tellez, rookie. Tatis Jr., rookie. First Bowman, Whitlock, Yankees. Out of 499, Rhys Hoskins for the Phillies. Alonso, rookie, Mets. And our first hit going out to the Nationals. First Bowman, James Borke. Nats going out to Travis B. on the board. Congrats, brother. Leonardo Jimenez, first Bowman, Angels. First Bowman, Miller for the Padres. Out of 25, orange, Eddie Rosario for the Twins. Short print. Abreu, Joey Bart. Bo Naylor, green wave out of 99 for the Indians. All right, so our auto should be right there. Ohtani. Tebow, first Bowman, Mets. Stewart, rookie, Orioles. All right, and our next hit going out to the Phillies, Cole Irvin. Cole Irvin, Phillies, going out to John N. Congrats, John. All right, move on to some high tech. Yeah, Donnie, it's not too bad, is it? All right, so we're going to do this box, we're going to do the Chronicles, and then we'll end on the last high tech. Big Hurt, 1 of 50. White Sox. Rafael Devers, Juan Soto, Alex Bregman, and number to 50. Look at that. Nolan Ryan, 16 of 50. Throwback for the Rangers. Going out to Taylor. Congrats, man. Out of 50, Mr. Nolan Ryan. That's awesome. I know Taylor's happy. He PCs the crap out of the Rangers. Kopech green out of 150. Ricky Henderson blue. Machado, Lorenzo Cain, Cabrera, and Lance McCullers Jr. for the Stros. Astros going out to Jim B. Congrats, Jim. Corey Seager out of 75. Rizzo. There's another Nolan Ryan. Anderson. And our last auto, Jorge Posada for the Yanks. Yankees going out to Sean on the board, brother. Congrats. All right, next up, Chronicles, followed by the last box of High Tech. Good luck, everybody. Empty box. You're like, yes, oh. All right, here we go. Good luck. Kopech, rookie. Chance Adams for the Pirates. Or pitcher. He's a pitcher. For the Yankees. Chance Adams, 3-color, chunky for the Yankees. Going out to Sean. Congrats, brother. Andujar, Torres, Harper, Lau rookie, Quantrill rookie, Chris Bryant, Brendan Rodgers, Spectra rookie for the Rockies. Congrats, Rockies. Andujar, Danny Jansen rookie, Kyle Tucker rookie, Altuve, Eloy Jimenez rated rookie, Justin Turner, Mitch Keller, Pittsburgh Pirates. Going out to Matthew B. Congrats, Matthew, with Pirates on the board. Kai Boom rookie. Out of 299, Whit Merrifield for the Royals. Me too, Steve. I really wish they did. Maybe one day. Kai Boom rookie, Alonso rookie. Channing rookie. Paddock rookie. Paddock out of 25. Rookies and stars. Dakota Hudson rookie prism. Out of Spectra for the Cardinals. Ohtani, Brad Keller, Obsidian rookie, Lau rookie, Bellinger, Scherzer, Vlad Jr. rookie, Aaron Judge, no ink this week. Yankees going to Sean. Congrats, sir. Chris Paddock season ticket, Carter Kieboom, rookie. Alonso rookie, Pujols, Riley rookie. Trout, Eloy rookie. Cedric Mullins for Baltimore, ink, Obsidian. Baltimore going out to Ethan. Snagged them on eBay. Congrats, sir. On the board with the Orioles. Kikuchi out of 199. Season ticket. Mariners. Rizzo. Sheffield rookie. And Bellinger. All right, we are down to our last box, everybody. Good luck. As always, guys, remember, if you do not get a hit, which is a relic or an autograph card, you are entered into the monthly Skunk Break giveaway, where somebody gets a free box of cards, as our way of saying thanks for supporting us here at 10 Point. I would love for everybody to hit every single break. I mean, we all know that is not possible. All right. Benintendi blue, Red Sox, Correa, DeGrom, Judge, Pujols, and Merrill Kelly rookie for the D-backs. Arizona going out to Travis. Congrats, Travis. Mookie Betts out at 99. Helton, Betts, Chris Davis, and Rick Ankiel out for the Cardinals. Cardinals going out to Ryan. Congrats, man. Reminder for the guys that are joining us late, make sure you check out our new break. It is posted. Half case Bowman Draft Super Jumbo PYT breaks next Tuesday night. Tino Martinez Green out of 150. Nola Roberto Alomar. Brandon Lau out of 99 for the Rays. Rays on the board going out to Matthew B. Congrats, man. All right, everybody, that is it for tonight. I'll do a quick hit recap. I'll let you guys go so I can start sorting. And this stuff will go in the mail on Thursday. All right, here we go. Aaron Judge, triple patch, two color. There's two colors in that one, barely in that corner. Lucas Giolito for the White Sox. All-Star Game event used memorabilia. Sandy Alomar for the Indians. Jimmy Key for the Blue Jays. Brandon Lau, Rays on the hand. Ankyo, St. Louis. D-backs, Kelly. Mullins for Baltimore. Keller for Pittsburgh. Adams for the Yanks. Posada, Yankees. McCullers, Stros. Nolan Ryan out of 50, Rangers. Irvin, Phillies. Bork, first Bowman, Nationals. Joe Adell, rated prospect, Angels. And Framber Valdez, rated rookie for the Stros. As always, thanks to everyone for supporting us here at 10 Point. We appreciate each and every one of you. You all have a great rest of your week. Let me know if you need anything, and hopefully we will see you in the next one. Congrats, everybody, and have a great evening. Good night.